The linkage line consists of ultrasonic washing machine, hot air circulation sterilization tunnel filling and sealing machine. The MODI can be used in combination or in a single machine. The linkage line can complete water spray filling, ultrasonic cleaning and flushing internal and external. SIA flushing internal and external, preheating, drying and sterilizing to remove heat source, cooling before and after nitrogen, sealing sweater preheating, sealing and other processes. This line can meet the size ranging from 1 to 20 milliliters ampoule of washing, drying and sterilizing to remove heat source, filling and sealing requirements of the reduction process. Capacity Callan, 6,000-40,000 pcs per hour. More details, PLs, contact us.